guys, welcome back to Reading with Ja. I have a new book for you today. How to Find a Fox. How to Find a Fox by Nilah Magruder. How to find a fox. Find a foxhole. Any foxhole will do. The best foxes are at home when you visit. Take out your fox bait. Place it somewhere easy to spot. Hide, then wait very quietly. Wait a little longer. Maybe you should try a different approach. Tread slowly over the ground. Foxes have keen hearing. You don't want to startle them. Be sure to look for fox tracks. They're like dog tracks, but sneakier. Take a picture of a family of raccoons. They have bushy tails, kind of like foxes. Put out more bait. Wait longer this time. Oh no, you've waited too long. Lying around won't bring foxes to you. Keep looking. Stalk through the grass. Make fox call. Search by the stream. Make more fox calls. Roll down the hill. It won't help you find a fox, but it's fun. Maybe you need a change of perspective. Climb a tree. Slowly, carefully. There he is. Climb down. Run! You've got to be quick. Don't lose him. You lost him. Kick a rock. No, wait, not that one. Kick a smaller rock. Lie down on your back because it's hopeless. Perhaps this was the wrong day to find foxes. Maybe you should just give up. You want to go home, but you're too tired. What do you do now? Take deep breaths. Close your eyes. Take a walk in your mind. Now's not the time to give up. What you're looking for is closer than you think. You got a feeling that it's staring you right in the face. Some days a fox doesn't want to be found. Some days he wants to find you. Congratulations, you are a master at finding foxes. The end. This book to find out how to find a fox. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!